What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see it's a lot shaking today. We're up and at it early in the morning. My little bro Cedro over here knocking down the grass. My fam Marcus about to come, and we about to start getting the shop stuff on the way. So that's what it is today, man. We're finna move the car. Y'all can see cars are gone too. There's 2 of them gone right now. So it's a lot shaking, man. It's a lot shaking. A lot of stuff been rolling. I ain't even been vlogging all of it all because it's been hard for me to catch it all, man. It's just been a lot. It's a lot. But that's what we got shaking right now, man. So I'm finna move the cars, and then we're gonna park them down there so we can get through with the Bobcat, and I'm gonna show y'all what we're about to do. All right, so we got everything moved. Everything on that side is down there at the end of the road. We just push these back by hand. And I'm gonna show y'all what we about to have going on today. Y'all see little bro out there cooking, bro. Turn it up. But so as y'all can see, I'm about to have this regraded. So I'm gonna have all this regraded for the 30 by 40. 30 wide, 40 foot deep, and we about to push all this over, man, so it's gonna be flat. And I'm more excited for this than this, cause it's gonna make the yard bigger, man. I wanna see how it's gonna look in the end, because see, I don't want all this, as I'm gonna call it vegetation. I don't want all this vegetation up again, right against the building. So we about to move this hill and slope it. Like I said, this wifey cousin, man. Blood cousin, so you know we keep everything in the family. How we run stuff, like I spend the money with the family. I like to do it, and yeah, we finna move all this over, man. All this over. So we finna clear all this out. It just grew up, like right there. That old dirt, that's the dirt from right here, but stuff done grew up on it. All that. So that's how it looks down. So he finna address all of that. So yeah, man, it's gonna look real different. So y'all seeing before. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see after. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So y'all see, man, I'm up there getting it in, and clear this area out. So what's going on, man? Y'all stay tuned. All right, checking in, y'all. So little brother knocked the grass down. I'm back from Tina's class party, and wife went, and wife had Shell field day right now, cause I couldn't be there, cause only one parent. We got Marcus making it happen, man. Making it happen. Knocking his heel down. Yeah, man. He got it working. He got it working. Chipping away at it. I can't wait to see the after. Can't wait to see the after, man. We're getting it done. So y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, we check it in. So this is what we're looking like right now. So running into a problem. So digging the hill out, but man, it's 3 stumps up there on the hill, and all the vines have pretty much intertangled and intertwined together, so it actually bent his bucket. It bent some of the teeth on the bucket, man. So I had to rent a mini excavator, so he finna go get the excavator and get the stumps taken care of, so then we can push it back, cause our goal was to push this hill back so it's not right against the shop. When the shop get done, whatever, which I'm still shopping around on shops, cause like I told you, I'm gonna do all this work pretty quickly, man, month by month. So right now I'm getting this done, grade, then we're gonna get the pad, gonna get the cement poured, and then probably a month or 2 months after that, just so I ain't going crazy on one thing. Like, I know I'm still fooling with these two, so I balance it out. But y'all see it's on the way. But then we're gonna get the building car. I'm definitely shopping around for the best price, so I don't just jump on the first thing. But if that's what it is, like I said, we'll have that pushed back. We gotta get the stump taken care of. And then after that, we're gonna get the dirt hauled off there too. So after that, man, we have a nice flat surface and everything. Get the concrete poured, and we're gonna check back in too. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So this is where we at. Getting this stump. These stumps took out. Cause can't make none shake without them. So that's what we doing now. Then we're ready to tackle that hill right here. Get it done. That's a big. Then I'm gonna have to get this dirt. I'm gonna have to get all this dirt moved out, man. So make it do what it do. So yeah, that's where we at, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. This is where we at, man. We checking in. Y'all see this done turned into a major project. We got the talking and talking about the drain and stuff. So I was like, man, get it. We should go ahead and do all of that. So what we about to do, we're gonna push this back, but he having to dig up a lot of stumps, as you can see. So when we cut down a big tree, they had to dig up a bunch of stumps. I had to rent this right here. We needed it. So then we're gonna worry about grading this. Grading this gonna be the last thing, man. But I'm gonna push all that back. Y'all see it a little different already, cause we had all this, as I call it, vegetation right here. But it gone. So basically all they gonna get pushed over, man. So y'all can see a total makeover. Then I'm gonna get my guy to come in and start knocking down these pines right here next. They're gonna be the next thing. So he chipping away at it, man. He chipping away at it, so we get it done. Yeah, man, I can't wait. Can't wait y'all see it. That's why I said this is a process, man. That's what I was telling people. When you gonna do the shop, I said I do it right. I want to do it one time, man, but this right here alone costs some money. Getting it done. You gotta do this before you just come in and pour the concrete. And you know, I gotta come up with a plan, structure the drain system and a wall and all that other stuff. So they're gonna be like a $100 project. So you know, this ain't something you just rush and go in. But I told y'all when I do it, I'm gonna do it probably within 4 months top. I'm gonna have this thing done. I'm gonna say 4 months top, cause this takes time. The next part right, then getting the concrete, then you gotta get a wall. The building is the last part. That's the easy part. So that's where we at, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, this is where we at, man. We got loads of dirt. I'm still out here going at it. Still getting in. See, we got the fiber line out the way, so we may soon clip that. I'll just lay that back up there and park the cars after he done. But yeah, man, where we at? So it ain't gonna be no more bushes up against the car and all of that. And what we gonna do, we're gonna take a lot of this dirt and fill out the front yard, man, cause our front yard is very hilly. We've been wanting to kind of level that out some, cause more you can do out there. So we're gonna use a lot of the dirt for the front yard. And that I'm probably gonna get hauled off. The stumps and everything, but he got the stumps. He got the stumps up, man. Then like I said, the shop, I told y'all the shot gonna start right here. Then they're gonna go up through there, but then we won't have all that right up against it. And then it gonna stretch over to here, which he gonna grade this spot. But it gonna stretch over to right here where the flag at. So we have pretty big shop. And that's why I'm telling y'all, like, this a process, man. Cause then I gotta get this spot graded and pay for concrete right here. So it gonna cost some money to concrete. You gotta pour the slab, but then in addition to that, that ain't over. Cause I've been told y'all about this if you've been paying attention. I'm gonna widen this out. So we're gonna cut over from the corner right here, cut over here. We're just gonna have to find the fiber line again too, cause they ran the fiber line down through here and he didn't trench it that deep. So we gotta find that. But we're gonna cut off from the corner, swing it out right here, cause the door gonna be right here. So when I get the shop builder, y'all can see how wide it's gonna be, right? So you're gonna have two bays. I have one right here, and then you're gonna have one door right here. So, you know, I'm gonna have to get some more concrete so you can gain entry into the shop right here. And side entry door gonna be over there. And then I'm gonna do one big door on the back. So you ain't gotta walk all the way around, cause you probably ain't gonna be able to walk around the shop anyway to get to the stores, unless you're gonna go through there, cause I'm finna get I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I'm probably gonna do it in the off season. We finna get our pool back up and running and stuff. But we're gonna end up getting a contractor and doing a 30-foot round pool, cause that's 22. We'll get a contract to do a 30-foot round, then a deck. I'm gonna build a big old deck around it. And on that area, I'm gonna push the deck back some so you can sit up there, put the grill up there and all that good stuff. And yeah, what we got going on. They're gonna be the new home of the trampoline for the kids, but they're cool, they close, we can see them. And yeah, man, that's what it is, man. But probably month one alone, it's gonna be this. It's gonna be this, man, month one. Month two, it's gonna be taking care of the concrete. Cause this right here, I already got a ticket, a few prices on that, man. This right here is a bag alone. Then I already got an idea how much this gonna be. Ain't gonna be quite as bad as this, but still, nonetheless, you know. And then after that, I get to shop around for the buildings and all of that good stuff, man. It'll finally be coming too, man. I get the building permit and stuff, which I know we cleared for over there, the zoning permit. And man, we're gonna throw that big 30 by 40 deep, enough to put 2 cars in there. We'll be in the game, man. So yeah, that's where we at right now. He's still working at it. Said chopping it, moving that old hill back. A little at a time, moving it back, man. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're checking in, man. So it's the next day, man. I ain't get a chance to close y'all out on the vlog. It got dark, man. My friend Marcus, he worked until it was nighttime, man. So definitely much love to him. I mean, he coming back. He got to come back for another day. He probably gonna be out here another couple of days, really. Getting it in, cause it done turned into like a big project that extends into the front yard too, which is cool and whatever, man. I gotta pay for dump to get the stumps and stuff dumped and cleared out and tucked away. And I want to show everybody step by step. And when the shop is up, I'm gonna revisit everything. Like, I'm gonna put together a total bill from start to finish video, and then tell people the cost or what it costs. Cause I know a lot of people like to know what it costs to do something like this, which it can vary by area, and it can vary by the spot, you know, the nature of wherever you putting it, because it's just where I'm putting it, you know. It calls for all this grading and clearing and stuff like that, and I got a vision on how I want everything. So it's a lot of factors. But you know, this stuff that go into it, the ground preparation and just getting ready before you even come in or start contacting somebody for some concrete, man. So initially, I'm gonna tell y'all, I had somebody ready for the concrete. Hold on a second. I had somebody ready for the concrete, but I said, man, this turned into a big project. So I was like, let me hold up on that. Let me get this together, because now I'm like, y'all can see, y'all saw in the footage, man, we chopping down the hill. We going on down the hill too, chopping it down and sloping it off and all that. So to get it away from even the new part of the new driveway, you know, where I had poured and extended. So it turned into a nice little project, man. So he gonna come back. He gonna come back to today, which, like I said, it's the next day. Hold on, and we're gonna keep it going and all that, man. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film a new vlog for y'all called Now We're Going to Stage 2 of it. I'm gonna show y'all every step, man, step by step. I'm gonna try to document it as long as I'm around and here, because I've been running around too and busy and all of that stuff too, man. So, and then it just a lot. It's a lot, man. It's a lot shaking. Like today is another busy day, super busy day, man. So lot stuff going on, especially with the cars. I got some vlogs coming for y'all, man. I've been stockpiling. I've been moving, driving the car and stuff. I got a lot of stuff coming for y'all, and yeah, you're gonna wanna tune in. Teeny. Well, she on it, boy. But y'all gonna wanna tune in, man. Y'all gonna wanna tune in, cause I got news. I got stuff shaking, and it's about to be lit. Like I said, only reason the footage y'all know I vlog daily, but the only reason, man, is literally I've been having so much shaking. It's like sometimes I don't even have time to pick up the camera. I mean, from running in everyday life and stuff, it been a lot of stuff shaking. So, yeah, but that's what it is, man. But yeah, that's what it is, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.